Start by tracing the inside and outside of your circle template on your paper. Make sure it's towards the top of the paper because you'll need to add some things at the bottom later. Start to write things around the outside of the circle that make you unhappy or make you uneasy, or things that would make you have a bad day. I decided to throw in a silly one at the end. Since the point of a dream catcher is to hold on to the good and keep out the bad, on the inside, write things that you enjoy or things that make you feel better on a bad day. Then trace over all your letters in Sharpie. We're going to be painting over this in watercolor, so it has to be permanent marker. We're going to be using a wet on wet watercolor technique, so your first step is to paint your whole paper with clean water. Then dip your brush in your watercolor or some watered down acrylic paint and start to drop it at the top. Because your paper is wet, you'll see the paint start to spread itself. Once you have enough paint, lift your paper up and let it drip down. You don't want to choose colors that are too far apart on the color wheel from each other, because as you can see, they're going to blend and mix. And if you choose complementary colors, they're just going to mix to make a muddy brown. You can add some dots lower down if the paint didn't drip quite far enough. Now choose a colored sheet of paper and trace the inside and the outside of your circle stencil again. Cut out around the outside. And to cut the inside, fold your paper in half and make a slit in the middle, then your scissors can slide through that slit. Take one of your strings and cut it into 3 sections. Take some liquid glue and draw a line of glue all the way around your circle. Place those 3 strings down at the bottom. These are going to be the strings that our feathers go on later. Then with your remaining pieces, you can stretch them across the circle in any pattern that you like. You may want to play with this a little bit before you put the glue on there to figure out the design that you want. Let the glue dry overnight and then cut off all the excess pieces of yarn. But don't forget not to cut the pieces of yarn that you glued on the bottom on purpose. Those are for our feathers. Now on your watercolor paper, draw a circle of glue and place that circle right on top. You could use real 3D feathers, or if you don't have any, then you can create some paper ones. Draw the shape that you want and then cut it out. Then cut small slits into the sides of your feathers to create some texture. Trim the bottom pieces of yarn shorter if you need to, glue them down, and glue your feathers on top.